OpenAI has announced the release of GPT 4.5, codenamed Orion, the company's latest and largest artificial intelligence language model to date. Currently available as a research preview for ChatGPT Pro users and developers, GPT 4.5 is described as the most knowledgeable model yet, boasting enhanced writing capabilities and improved world knowledge compared to its predecessors. Taking to X, OpenAI CEO Sam Altman acknowledged that GPT 4.5 is a giant, expensive model and won't crush benchmarks. Despite its large size, the ChatGPT parent company noted in a white paper that it doesn't consider GPT 4.5 a frontier model. According to the company, interacting with GPT 4.5 would feel more natural because it recognizes patterns more effectively and draws connections more effectively. This makes it an ideal tool for writing, programming, and solving practical problems. While GPT 4.5 isn't considered a frontier model, it has reportedly undergone significant training using new supervision techniques, including synthetic data and reinforcement learning from human feedback. Following its initial release for ChatGPT Pro, OpenAI's $200 a month plan users, the GPT 4.5 model will be rolled out to ChatGPT Plus and ChatGPT Teen users next week, followed by its launch for ChatGPT Enterprise and ChatGPT Education users. The AI model is also available on Microsoft's Azure AI Foundry platform, alongside new models from Stability, Cohere, and Microsoft.